This.
I went down. I didn't go with her. You didn't go towards with her. You know what?
Do we have sharks up in there? Oh, we have sharks over there. We have sharks over there, man.
You can walk out there and get a little closer to get something on the other side.
This is what the flood looked like. You can see the floods is coming around, and then it's going down from there. So it's a flood. We usually do that. It's a deep flood. You can, but over there you cannot see no rocks or nothing. I'm walking up in a flood. This is my car. This is my uncle's car. They live in that house. Still a flood. Let's go down, 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 down. Understand the word that's coming out my mouth. Sometimes in floods they have sharks. But if in our flood, it don't have no sharks. So there you go. I see a shark coming my way. So when we get out the flood is way back there, and our flood in the front of our house starts right here. So it starts right there.